Oliver Samuels, a legendary comedian's lifestyle, family, and wealth. Oliver Samuels, born on November 4, 1948, in St. Mary, Jamaica, is a name that resonates with laughter and joy across the Caribbean and its diaspora. Dubbed the King of Comedy in Jamaica, his illustrious career in entertainment spans over 4 decades. Beyond his comedic prowess, Samuel's life story is a tapestry woven with dedication, resilience, and a vibrant personality that extends into his family life and financial success. Before we go deeper, kindly subscribe to our channel to build a bigger community. Early life and career beginnings. Samuel's journey to becoming a household name in comedy began in humble surroundings. Raised in a rural part of St. Mary, he was the son of a farmer and a housewife. From a young age, Samuels displayed a natural talent for storytelling and mimicry, often entertaining his peers with humorous tales. His formal education was limited due to financial constraints, but his innate ability to connect with people through humor was unmistakable. Samuels moved to Kingston in the late 1960s, where he pursued opportunities in theater. His big break came when he joined the Theater 77 group, which was instrumental in shaping his acting and comedic skills. His talent quickly caught the attention of producers, leading to his starring role in the iconic television series Oliver at Large. This series, created by Butler and Aston Cooke, with much of the writing by Patrick Brown, catapulted Samuels to fame. His character, Olivius Adams, aka Oliver, became a beloved figure, known for his comedic escapades and relatable charm. Career highlights and achievements. The success of Oliver at Large was just the beginning. Samuels became a staple in Jamaican theater, performing in numerous plays written by Patrick Brown and others. Some notable productions include Large Abroad, Oliver's Posse, 1999, Oliver and Pinocchio, 2001, and Oliver and the Genie, 2002. His ability to connect with audiences through his portrayal of everyday Jamaican life made him a beloved figure both locally and internationally. Samuel's influence extended beyond the stage and screen. He worked as a director and head of marketing and public relations for MacD's, a Kingston-based company, demonstrating his versatility and business acumen. His roles in various advertising campaigns, such as those for the wire transfer service Unitransfer, showcased his ability to transcend the entertainment industry and become a trusted face in marketing. Family life. Despite his public persona, Oliver Samuels is a private man when it comes to his family. He has been married to his wife, Juliet, for many years. The couple has managed to maintain a low profile, shielding their personal lives from the public eye. They have raised their children with a strong emphasis on education and values, ensuring that despite their father's fame, they lead grounded and purposeful lives. Samuels often speaks about the support he receives from his family, crediting them for much of his success. His wife, in particular, has been a steadfast pillar, offering encouragement and managing the home front during his frequent tours. The couple has several children, all of whom have pursued various professional paths, some even following in their father's footsteps in the arts and entertainment industry. An interesting lifestyle. Oliver Samuels leads an interesting lifestyle that reflects his vibrant personality. Known for his love of Jamaican culture, he often incorporates elements of his heritage into his daily life. He is a passionate cook, frequently experimenting with traditional Jamaican recipes. His home in Kingston is a haven of cultural artifacts and memorabilia from his career, serving as a testament to his love for his roots. Samuels is also an avid traveler. His tours take him to various parts of the world, where he performs for the Caribbean diaspora. These travels have allowed him to connect with fans globally, sharing Jamaican humor and culture far and wide. Despite his busy schedule, he finds time for relaxation and leisure. He enjoys gardening, spending time with his grandchildren, and engaging in community activities. A notable aspect of his lifestyle is his philanthropic efforts. Samuels is involved in several charitable initiatives, focusing on education and youth development. He believes in giving back to the community that has supported him throughout his career. His involvement in these initiatives has made a significant impact, providing opportunities for many young Jamaicans to pursue their dreams. Net worth and financial success. Oliver Samuel's net worth is a testament to his successful career and business ventures. As of 2024, his estimated net worth is around $5 million. This wealth has been accumulated through various streams, including his acting career, marketing roles, and endorsements. His work in Oliver at Large and subsequent theatrical productions provided a steady income, while his involvement in advertising and marketing for companies like Unitransfer added to his financial portfolio. His role as a director and head of marketing at MacD's also contributed significantly to his earnings. In addition to his professional earnings, Samuels has made wise investments in real estate and other ventures. He owns properties in Jamaica and abroad, which have appreciated in value over the years. His financial acumen has ensured a comfortable lifestyle for him and his family, allowing him to enjoy the fruits of his labor while continuing to entertain audiences. Legacy and impact. Oliver Samuel's legacy extends beyond his comedic talent. He is a cultural icon, representing the spirit and resilience of Jamaica. His ability to bring laughter to people's lives, regardless of their background, has made him a cherished figure. His contributions to Jamaican theater and television have paved the way for future generations of performers, inspiring many to pursue careers in the arts. His philanthropic efforts and dedication to his family further solidify his legacy as a man of integrity and compassion. As he continues to perform and engage with his fans, Samuels remains a beacon of positivity and joy. In conclusion, Oliver Samuel's life is a remarkable journey of talent, hard work, and dedication. From his humble beginnings in St. Mary to becoming the king of comedy air in Jamaica, he has touched the hearts of many with his humor and charisma. His interesting lifestyle, supportive family, and financial success paint a picture of a man who has truly lived a fulfilling and impactful life. As he continues to entertain and inspire, Samuel's legacy will undoubtedly endure for generations to come. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to this channel for more amazing Jamaican celebrities news.